Hello, I'm Alice from Learn to Knit Online, and I'd like to show you how to undo a stitch on a purl side. So as you can see, I'm on the purl side of my knitting. I was doing the stockingette knit stitch pattern. And what I'm going to do to undo this stitch is I'm going to try and find the stitch below. I know that this was the new stitch. The yarn is still coming out of it at the front. I know that that was the stitch that I created by going through the stitch below. So with my left hand needle I'm going to poke around to find the loop that is directly below it. And the way I'm going to be able to identify that is I can see that the yarn is coming through this loop. So once I have that securely, the loop below on my left hand needle, I can pop the yarn off my right hand needle and release the yarn. Let's do it one more time. So I'm going to find the stitch below the stitch that is on my needle. And once I've got that securely on my left hand needle, I can double check that yes, this is the yarn that was coming through that stitch. So I can now release that stitch, pull the yarn, and it's completely undone. Ready to work again. I hope that helps. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you'd like to book an online private interactive class with me, then head over to learntoknitonline.com. And you can also find my self-paced videos, all my classes filmed on video for you to learn at your own pace. And if you'd like to be kept in the loop with what I have going on, then please sign up to my mailing list, The Loop, link here, and you'll find a link on my website where you will get a monthly newsletter along with a monthly inspirational knit pattern, and I'll tell you everything that's going on, all the new courses, classes and skills classes. Thank you so much. Happy knitting!